Okay, so today I'm gonna make chicken breast on the George Foreman grill, and I have a baggie here with 2 chicken breasts, and I've just let this thaw out overnight, and it's still just a little bit frozen. But what we're gonna do with this, and what makes it easier, is to fillet it. So I'm just gonna take one of these out because we're only making one uh, chicken breast on the grill, so I'll just cut that in half. And then the other one I'll make another time. Okay, so I have this one chicken breast on the cutting board, and we're just gonna start with the thick side and just kind of let the knife just move through it and push down with your hand on the top. And you don't have to push real hard, just let it kind of softly go through the chicken. Okay. So that came out pretty good. It's nice and even, these 2 pieces. And then I'm just gonna put this piece of chicken back into the fridge because I want to let it thaw out a little more because it's a little bit frozen. Okay, so this chicken is thawed out. It was in the fridge for just a couple hours. And I'm just gonna add some seasoning to it. This is orange pepper seasoning. We like that on pretty much everything. And I've made it before with onion powder, rosemary, salt and pepper. Just trying this time. And just going to flip it over so I can season both sides of the chicken. Okay, and if you like this type of video, hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so you'll get reminders when we put out new videos. All right, so we just put that chicken aside, and I'm just gonna set up the grill. I plugged it in. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes to come up to temperature. And so just gonna put the chicken breast on the grill. And the nice thing about this is you don't need to use any type of nonstick spray or oil or anything, so it's pretty healthy too. So we just put the chicken breast down on the grill, and I'm gonna set the timer for only 3 minutes. Now keep in mind this is filleted in half, so if you use a thicker piece of meat, then you want to cook it for longer than that. Okay, and the most important thing is you want this up to temperature. You want it at least 165. So I've got my plate set up. I've washed my hands, all that. You can see the steam coming out. It's great. It cooks from both sides, top and bottom. This grill is amazing. It cooks so fast. So it's been 3 minutes, and I just used my meat thermometer. I'm just going to take it off the grill onto the plate, check the temperature. Make sure it's up to 165. Oh, looks like it's way over that, but amazingly, it was still nice and juicy, even though some of the parts of the chicken were over 165 and 170s. And my husband had this piece. The temperatures are pretty high, and he thought it was great. It's nice and juicy. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.